All right, this is the Halloween candy mortar. It starts with this air rocket launcher that we built from some instructions we saw on Make Magazine and saw it demonstrated at Maker Fair in New York City a while back. And we made some changes to it so that we can use it to launch candy. So the key function here is this air rocket launcher, if you're not familiar with it. This is a 2-inch PVC with a capped on both ends, and then a connection, a quick disconnect connection to an air compressor. Then this T connection goes up to this 3/4 inch PVC pipe and connects to this $12 sprinkler valve. You can get it at Lowe's or Home Depot. Then back again, 3/4 again, and then finally up to a 1.5 inch tube that we use to shoot the candy out of. These sprinkler valves are designed to run on 28 volt AC, but it turns out you can run them with 2 9-volt batteries. So if you just take 2 9-volt batteries and connect them to these wires, which is what these are, and just touch them, you'll hear it. You can activate that. And normally water goes through them, but we're using this to have this little air tank, and when this is charged up and we activate that, the air goes through. And we found that a 1.5 inch piece of PVC is perfect for fitting we'll just show you that. You can take a 35 millimeter film canister and put a Milky Way or a Three Musketeers bar, and you can drop it right into it. And they just fit perfectly. They just slide right down. So that's how we shoot the candy. The other part of this is a 50-foot piece of wire. So we're going to connect this wire up to a local switch so that the operator who's loading the candy can connect this switch, and then we'll run another switch in series 50 feet away, and that's this little foot pedal that the trick-or-treater will activate. So in order to launch it, the operator has to be holding this, and the trick-or-treater has to step on this, and that just avoids somebody shooting it when we're not expecting it. The switch itself is pretty simple. It's just a piece of wood, 2 pieces of wood connected by a hinge. These are 2 Nerf rival balls and a cherry switch here mounted on the end. So when it's not compressed, the switch isn't pushed, but then when you step on it, you activate the switch. And so we'll connect all that together, run this cable out about 50 feet, load it, launch it, and this will shoot 2 35 millimeter film canisters with candy in them, maybe 45 feet, and probably higher in altitude, probably goes about 60 feet high. So, thanks.